Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When working in CSS, the box model is used for design and layout. Every element in your HTML coding is considered a box. For example, a paragraph, image, and heading are all considered separate boxes. You want to use the box model to control their placement and orientation to one another by controlling the margins, borders, padding, and the actual content of each box. When using box models, it is important to properly calculate the total size of the elements you are working with. When you set the width and height of an element in CSS, you are only setting the size of the content. For the total size of each element, you have to consider the content, padding, borders, and margins. The formula you should use when thinking of the size of your elements for the total width is the width of your content plus the left padding plus the right padding plus the left margin plus the right margin plus the left border and plus the right border. The same concept is used for height, replacing left and right with top and bottom. You'll note that each side needs to be calculated separately, as each part can be said to be a separate piece. For this example, we're styling our paragraph for a total width of 250 pixels. So the width of our content is 220 pixels, with the padding on each side of 10 pixels and a border of 5 pixels with a margin of 0 pixels. So our browser will display our paragraph and the total width from the margin to margin is 250 pixels.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.